Timo, how are you? I want fish and chips now. Sorry. How are you, Colino? Big shout out to Colino. That's a lot of chickening. Any catfish? I don't know if I saw catfish, to be honest with you. I'll put a lid on this and take it back. That down. How are we doing on time? 3:43. Perfect. 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 Turn this one off. Give it a flip in here. These guys are so juicy. They like stay juicy. Little catfish for a catch and cook, dude. That would be so cool. So much easier. We can go catch some. Oh yes, like you do go fishing, huh? I've seen you fish with Alec, I think, or at the store on the way to go fishing. That would be cool. Throws cage, waits, retrieves cage. We're crabbing. Doing alright. PC is being slow, so I'm removing like 60 gigs of stuff to clean out my OBS. Dude, I've done that so many times this year, I feel like. So many times.